Welcome to 6th grade math, small group, special education. A fun fact about me, Mrs. Gonzalez, is that I have 3 dogs and my favorite hobby is dressing them up in costumes. Here are their Halloween costumes. At James Monroe Middle School, we have a math goal. By May 2024, JMMS students will increase the percentage of students performing at grade level or above from 12% to 20%, as measured by the Spring 2024 iReady Math Diagnostic. In my classroom, we work towards this goal by completing bell work that reviews math concepts such as fractions, multiplication, and geometry. We collaboratively solve math equations, play educational math games, rotate through math centers that cover a variety of facts, and improve our ability to recall basic math facts in order to complete higher level math problems. Here is some of the bell work that we do daily to cover a variety of math facts. Students always work hard to complete the daily bell work and help the teacher step by step. This is a worksheet that the whole class is completing together. All students have the opportunity to read and answer a question with assistance from both the teacher and other students. Mrs. Lopez is working hard at her math station to recall basic math facts such as multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. Students also rotate through an independent workstation where they complete online math practice problems. These are students working to complete the Word Problem Wednesday packets at my center rotation. I'm there to help them read the problems and solve them. Here's another student working hard at my math center rotation. On Fridays, students have the opportunity to complete math tangrams at my math center rotation. At Miss Lopez's Math Center, she has a multiplication game that students are able to play collaboratively on Fridays. As always, students are able to earn points from a selfie-king stamper that all staff have. They earn these points for participating and following directions. Here is the class store that students have access to with their stamp sheets weekly. Thank you for attending open house to find out what goes on in Mrs. Gonzalez's math class. As always, feel free to reach out through email if you have any questions or concerns.